What if I told you the United States is building a fighter jet so advanced, it could be the last manned jet we ever make? After more than 50 years working in and around aviation, I've seen the evolution of air combat firsthand. From the roaring F-4 Phantoms to today's stealthy F-22s and F-35s. But now something even more powerful is coming. A new aircraft is being developed, quietly, behind closed doors, that could fly farther, fight smarter, and maybe never need a pilot in the cockpit. It's part of the US Navy's Next Generation Air Dominance program, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Why does this matter? Because countries like China and Russia aren't sitting still. They're rapidly advancing their own air forces, and if the US doesn't keep up, it risks losing its lead in the skies. This new jet isn't just about flying fast. It's about controlling the battlefield from above with AI, drones, and unmatched technology. The stakes couldn't be higher. In the next 5 to 10 years, whoever leads in air power could shape the future of global security. In this video, we'll break down what we know about this mysterious new jet, why experts believe it may replace the F-22 and F-35, and how it could forever change the way wars are fought. Stick around, because this could be the most important aircraft of the 21st century. For decades, the US Navy dominated the skies with aircraft like the F-14, F-A-18, F-22, and F-35. But times have changed. Today, China and Russia are rolling out new fighter jets and powerful air defense systems at a pace we didn't expect. Their jets fly farther, their missiles are faster, and their radar systems are smarter. And that's where the problem begins. Our current jets, like the F-22 and F-35, were top of the line when they were introduced. But now, they're starting to show their limits. In high-threat areas with advanced enemy defenses, these planes don't have the range or stealth to survive for long. Navy pilots often go into missions knowing they're flying into zones where they're outmatched on detection and reach. That's a dangerous position to be in. Defense leaders are under serious pressure. There's a growing fear that we could lose the edge we've had for so long. And it's not just about falling behind. It's about risking lives and losing control of the skies. We've tried upgrading older jets, adding better radar, newer engines, and extra fuel tanks. But these fixes aren't enough. You can't win tomorrow's wars with yesterday's tools. This is why the US Navy is investing in something new. The F/A-XX, or F/A-XX. It's a next-generation fighter jet designed from the ground up to deal with the modern battlefield. It's being built to outfly and outsmart enemy missiles, drones, and aircraft before it even enters combat. So what exactly makes this jet so special? And why do experts think it might change the future of air combat entirely? Let's take a closer look. US aircraft carriers are still some of the most powerful tools in the world's military arsenal. They carry dozens of fighters, can move almost anywhere on the ocean, and launch attacks with incredible force. But there's one growing problem. They can't get their planes far enough into enemy territory without taking big risks. As threats from China and Russia increase, especially long-range missiles, our carriers are being pushed farther away from danger zones. That means the fighters they launch must fly longer distances to hit their targets, and that creates more danger for pilots and mission success. The new F/A-20, or F/A-XX, is designed to fix this. It will have about 25% more range than today's fighters, roughly 1,600 nautical miles when refueled. That's a huge improvement, but what really makes the difference is how it works with the Navy's new drone refueler, the MQ-25 Stingray. These drones can extend the jet's combat reach across 11 million square miles. That's almost half the Pacific Ocean. Today, some missions need multiple mid-air refuels just to reach the target and come back. With FAX and the MQ-25, many of those missions will only need one clean pass. That means less time in the air, less risk to pilots, and more precise strikes. This new range doesn't just help offense, it helps keep our carriers safe too. With longer range jets, we can stay out of reach of enemy missiles and still deliver a powerful strike. That's a game changer in modern naval warfare. But with all that range, one big question remains. How do you stay hidden when flying over such vast distances in enemy territory? Let's find out how F/A-XX tackles stealth next. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to help pilots stay one step ahead. The AI acts like a co-pilot, spotting threats faster than any human could, changing flight tactics on the fly, and controlling swarms of drones in battle. In today's fast-moving combat, humans alone can't react quickly enough. F/A-XX blends human skill with machine speed to survive and win. On top of that, this fighter will carry powerful new weapons. It may use laser weapons for precision strikes and hypersonic missiles that fly faster than Mach 5, meaning they can hit targets before enemies even realize they're under attack. With stealth that adapts, AI co-pilots that think faster than humans, and weapons that outrun anything before, F/A-XX aims to dominate the skies. But the big question remains, will these weapons be enough to keep FX ahead in this deadly new era of air combat? The F/A-20 is not just another fighter jet, it's a whole new kind of war machine, designed to shape the future of air combat for decades. This aircraft is a platform built for the challenges of tomorrow, combining cutting-edge stealth, unmatched range, and artificial intelligence to work seamlessly with swarms of drones. It might be the Navy's last manned fighter, leading a team of autonomous drones into battle. This means the role of the pilot changes, from just flying the jet to becoming a commander of an aerial fleet, making decisions faster than any human could before. What truly sets F/A-20 apart is how it blends technology and tactics. Speed alone doesn't win battles anymore. Instead, success depends on who can see first, hide better, and strike smarter. With adaptive stealth that changes its shape and radar signature mid-flight, and AI co-pilots that instantly analyze threats and suggest responses, this jet is a game changer. It's designed to outthink enemy defenses, confuse their radars, and hit targets with precision weapons, including hypersonic missiles that travel faster than 5 times the speed of sound. Here's an unexpected fact. F/A-20 skin uses smart materials inspired by nature, similar to how a chameleon changes color. These materials can adjust their electromagnetic properties to evade detection from new radar systems that try to see through traditional stealth. This isn't just science fiction. It's a real breakthrough that could keep the jet invisible even as enemy technology advances. Emotionally, the F/A-20 represents hope. It promises to protect future pilots by reducing the number of humans directly in harm's way. By controlling drone swarms from a distance, pilots can stay safer while still dominating the battlefield. This balance of human skill and machine power could define the next era of warfare. As the F/A-20 takes shape, it echoes the legacy of the F-22, a jet that once set the gold standard for air dominance. Now the question is, will America lead the skies of the future, or will rivals like China and Russia close the gap and take control? The answer lies in this incredible aircraft and the innovation behind it. The future of air power is here, and it's more complex and powerful than ever before. The F/A-20 represents more than just a new aircraft. It's the answer to a completely new kind of war, in an era where threats evolve faster than ever. What excites you most about this jet? The stealth that can hide it from any radar, the AI that acts as a super smart co-pilot, or the powerful new weapons it carries? Share your thoughts below and join the conversation about the future of warfare.